Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Mitsubishi Mirage Hatchback. First, always confirm your vehicle is in park or neutral for safety. Next, fully insert your key into the ignition cylinder. Then, firmly press down on the brake pedal. These initial steps are crucial before attempting to start the engine, ensuring a smooth and safe beginning to your drive. With the key inserted and brake depressed, turn the key clockwise to the on position. You will see dashboard lights illuminate. Then, continue turning the key to the start position. Hold it there for just a moment, typically 1 or 2 seconds, until the engine catches. As soon as the engine starts, release the key, allowing it to spring back to the on position. If your Mirage does not start, first check your battery terminals. Ensure they are clean and securely fastened. Also, confirm you have enough fuel. A low fuel level can prevent starting. If you hear a rapid clicking sound when turning the key, it often means your 12-volt battery is low and may need a jump start or replacement. Once your Mitsubishi Mirage engine is running, take a moment to check your dashboard. Ensure no critical warning lights remain illuminated. Allow the engine to idle for about 10 to 15 seconds, especially in colder weather, to circulate fluids. Finally, select your desired gear, such as drive or reverse, and you are ready to begin your journey safely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.